Hello guys, today's video we are talking about Titan X, origin or powers abilities. So without getting late, let's get start the video. Before we started, Titan X is not appear in already of Monarch Legacy of Monster. This was the before Monarch. This was before the season of Monarch Legacy of Monster prediction. We have no idea of powers and abilities, so their body structure with discussing their powers and abilities. So let's get started. Titan X was debuted in Monarch Legacy of the Monster. In the series, we know about their Titan X details. Titan X is a squid type dragon titan and he relates Ghidorah family. Titan X has a Ghidorah and biogenic titan and he someone relates Godzilla species. And he was best rivalry of Godzilla because they absorb Godzilla DNA and kill them. He was apex predator and many sea creatures can worship them. Titan X was very huge because his height is 656 tall and 10650 feet long. And Titan X has a lot of powers and abilities like electrokinesis, energy manipulation, energy and DNA absorption, and tentacle manipulation, regeneration power, bioluminescent light creation, vines tendrils, and aquatic amphibiation, hydrokinesis, weather manipulation, and energy beam blast attack, body temperature manipulation, or anti-poisonous breath, and cell division. They have lots of durability. He was very durable. That's why Godzilla atomic breath and Kong punches. And he deserves Alpha Titan level. And in future we know all details of Monster X. So that's all. If you watch until the end, like the video, subscribe my channel, and if you're new, turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any update. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video.